talk a little bit about open source tools and your view of open source versus commercial. There's a lot of open source stuff out there. Where is it useful? Where is it not useful? How do commercial products differentiate themselves and add value?
Well, I think this is, yeah, great question. I mean, there's a typical answer that vendors give, right? Which is that open source isn't free. You've got cost of developing and maintaining frameworks and worrying about the person who built the framework leaving and all of that sort of stuff, right? Every vendor, very much the same conversation every time you ask that question. But I think there's lots of benefits to open source as well. I mean, we use open source, in the back end of our products, and then we provide the maintenance and the operability and that sort of thing on top to make it easy for people to adopt. I mean, I had a conversation at a conference where a lady came up to me and said, look, we've got this investment in an open source product, but at the end of running these tests, what I get is a big spreadsheet full of numbers, and then I've got to go and dig through this and actually try and find the answer to the question that I was asking of the system. I'm running a big performance test. What happened?
Right.
And so we said, well, how can we help you with that? We've got great reporting and insights toolkit. And so we said, okay, well, let's take that capability, let's wrap it up, make it easy for somebody to run that in OneTest performance, and then apply our visualizations and that sort of thing over the top of that data. So now, people can bring open source tools like, for example, JMeter into OneTest performance and get that insight really, really quickly and really, really easily.